Hey, what's going on, everyone? I just want to make a new video for you on this on the profit passports. It is going off the hook. I just want to get in here and let me show you a few things. What's going on in David Deckel's group? Some of you may be already in it. Some of you may be just finding out what's going on with us. But here it is right here. I'm going to just run through some of these. These are happening every day. This is just a minute ago. $100. This is off Easy1Up. That was Mary. I guess that's Perry Baker. A minute ago, $2,000 sell. It's a new month, man. May 1st. Cool. New month. New day. Hey. Let's get some money, right? We got Jeff, who I see this guy on here like all the time. But we got another 2,000 for him. Let's see, Robert, $100. Deb, 6 hours ago, $100. So this could be you. 19 hours ago, let's see, $2,000. Vertex, that's Easy1Up. You got 6 income streams from profit passports that you can make money off of. It is a very unique system because David and his team does all the work. They do all the back end work for you. You don't have to keep leads. You don't have to auto respond. You don't have to do any technical stuff. Really, you don't have to have your a team of people that handle questions and things like that. Most of that is already answered in this first video that once you get your account, this video comes up, goes through everything, then you get your link. After you set up all your income streams 1 through 6, then you just go back and then you just promote this, and it pretty much promotes all of them. So it's a great system. It was set up pretty well by David. I'm enjoying it. So I've already gone through number 1, which is Easy1Up, which is just an awesome system in itself. Been around a long time, has a lot of credibility. Let me get in here real quick. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time today on this. I just wanted to kind of go through income stream number 2, but I've spent time on this one and went through all the different levels that you can get in at. I also wanted to go to show you how you different ways to set up. Once you get in here, you can set up how to get paid. You're going to have this, that's in your profile. And let's see, my account, go to profile. This will come up. You set in your personal information, your about me stuff, billing information. But anyway, this is what I want to talk to you about real quick. Payment collection, how you want to receive your commissions. You can either have Easy1Up. They'll collect them for you and send you the money with a 20% processing fee, or you can set up your own methods. And here's just some of the ones you can do. Cash or checks. You can have them send you money through these right here. You can write in here. There's a video explaining this on the first page of the welcome video. On setting up your, if you have PayPal or something, you can put that out there, or you can put your address here on where you want people to send you money or checks or whatever, however they want to get started. So then you have authorize.net. You can set that up. I don't have that, but you can use that for credit cards. I have this is me. I have Stripe. I set that up right here for payments. Solid Trust pay information. Just put your information in there, and then you can set up for Bitcoin, Bitcoin wallet, and just put your where you want to receive Bitcoin at. So those are the ways you can set up your payment options for Easy1Up. I am offering for anyone who gets signed up in the next week, for who's ever wants to get started. I know there's a lot of you in here that are unpaid. Maybe you've been thinking about it and want to get going. Just pull this up so you can see for from Saturday, starting tomorrow till the next Saturday, ending that day. I will offer you some traffic, some paid traffic at that, because that's all I do. So if you come in and just hear me out, if you get started, let's see, it's gonna be the $500 level. So you come in at 500 plus your administration fee of $50. Get started at that level or higher, which will be Vertec Pro, which is 1,000, or the Big Dog 2,000 at Vertec Live, plus the $500 administration fee there. And remember, at any level you come in at, you unlock all the levels below it, so you don't have to keep paying for each level. Once you get higher and higher, you can just, like when I came in at Live, and I unlocked all these, so I didn't have to pay for every one of them. But if you come in, this is crucial, hear me. If you come in at 500, which is Vertec Elite, by next Saturday, not this coming Saturday, which is tomorrow, but the next Saturday, you'll have a full week to get going. That's just me, my group, whoever's in with me. I will pay for your first run of paid traffic, so you can get some traffic to your site, hopefully get some sales rolling up in there, right? So I'm willing to do that for you so you can be successful. I want to help you any way I can. So just reach out to me once you get signed up if you need help doing that. You saw the ways that you can pay. Just go on to the front of the site here. Let's go to dashboard. You can watch this video down here, right here. This explains a lot. So just watch that and you can learn more. But Megan, Michael, Goron, I don't know how to say that. Something done. Or I don't know how to say that either. Lee, Jahil, Joshua, Linda, Claudie, Fragrant. Okay. I know there's more in here than that. It just shows, it doesn't show all of them. But, guys, you're here. Let's get you started. Let's not wait any longer. And then anybody else that wants to get into Profits Passports, I'll have my link below. We can get you started and get you rolling, so you can be right here in this group and start telling us your success stories of how you are making 100, 200, 1,000, 5,000, on up and so forth and going. I've seen up to $16,000 commission from people in this group. So there's a lot of opportunity here. So don't wait. Money loves speed, right? So I just want to go into the second group, but second income stream. Like I said, though, 500 level or higher, you come in by next Saturday, the 9th of May, starting a new month here. So by this time, if you want to get started, you got questions, reach out to me, let me know. But I will go ahead and pay for your for some traffic for you, get you rolling on that end, and so you can see that this thing does work. So let's have fun. So second income stream, it's going to be make money. Number 2 even from people who don't buy, which you can do this now. You don't even, all you have to do is sign up. It's a free sign up for this program. It's the Funnel X Advance. This is David's personal program. You can go in here. I know I have this. Let's see here. Right here. Boom. So this is Funnel Advance, and like I told you, 500 or above by next Saturday, we'll get you some traffic from me. David has his own bonuses too, that he has incorporated in once you sign up for Passport Profits or Profit Passports, that you have, I think, 7 days to take, it's your first week, to take action and get in at the top level, which is the Vertec Live at $2,000 plus the $500 administration fee, $2,500. If you come in at that for your first week, you get this upgrade for free, Funnel Advance, which is an awesome program. And I'm not going to sit here and explain exactly what it is, but then on top of that, it's for every lead that you generate, and you don't even have to pay to get this. You just sign up and you start driving traffic to it. You'll get $1 for everyone who just opts in and is a qualified lead. And he goes into more in the videos on that. And then number 2 is only if you're in your first week, you'll get the upgrade to all of these. You'll open up all these, or if you already passed that, then you have to actually pay for Builder, Super Affiliate, or Leader. You can come in and say I'm complete on all of them. That's Builder. You can come in at the level that suits you, that you feel comfortable at, and you'll learn more. Just watch the videos on them. But this is an income stream that, same thing. What he means by upgrade commissions is by buying one of these, you upgrade the opportunity to make more money by having a paid position in here. And then you just put your affiliate link. Once you get signed up, you put your affiliate link here, you hit save and update. I think the leader is like $1,500. Super affiliate, I believe, is like 500 or 600 or something. And Builder is the lower one, maybe $100 or $200. I don't remember. I got these free, so and it was all, and they did everything for me on this. I didn't have to do anything. They set it all up. That's why you see that status complete. They did all that. I didn't do anything except for come in at the top level on Easy1Up. And just told them I did, and then they set all this up for me, and I got the upgrade. So anytime anyone comes in here and purchases any of these levels now, and I didn't have to pay for any of these, but I will get the commission for each one of these. So that's another benefit. If you're in your welcome week and you see that little countdown that is on David's emails, man, take advantage of that if you can. Very, very good upgrade. But that's, go through each one of the videos in here, find out more about this. You also get, if you come in, the bonuses. I think these are his, the 20-minute traffic expert, teach you how to get your traffic flowing, from, this is the traffic co-op pass. This is team traffic. So you can get in here. They have, if you don't know what a traffic co-op is, they explain more right here where it says Team Traffic Co-op, where you can pay some money into a team of people that are doing traffic, and then you're incorporating in that traffic your personal link. So you're all together, and you're getting the traffic all together, and driving traffic to your website. This is a super affiliate level bonus. Is this his miracle? Yeah, this is a miracle attraction. You have to get in and understand. This is like The Secret, the movie The Secret, where they talk about the law of attraction. Well, David has a whole series, and I've seen it, where he talks about how to actually attract into your life exactly what you want. And he has a whole series on that. I have that here in my personal growth area. Let's see, here it is right here. So, MAS Miracle Attraction Sequence, and you'll get that. And then leader level bonus, I've already got that. So, there you go. These are things you can get, guys, once you get this program. Go in here. There's videos for each one of these to tell you more about it. Of course, you got the how it works. You can start there, go through, watch David on each one of these videos.
Hello and welcome.
There you go. Boom. Get in here. Put your link from here in there. Get it saved. And then start driving traffic to it. That's income stream number 2. You don't even have to buy anything on this one to start making money from it. Just get it signed up and start driving traffic so you can start getting some qualified leads. But just know that if they do buy something and you don't have that product, that commission passes you. So there you go. And then here's income stream number 3, and I'm going to talk about that one next. So let me see if there's anything else. That's David's group, and it's going off the chain. Okay, get that off there. And there's, of course, this is the main group here, and then there's a leaders group that also you can become a part of if you get the bonus, the quick start bonuses is what they're called, that David offers. And then, of course, remember, I am offering traffic. I will do some paid traffic for you. And all you have to do is come in at that $500 level or more. Just get a hold of me. You'll have my contact information. If you're ready to get started in this and learn more, just go to my link. It'll say get started here or something like that. And it's partner with Trae, TRAE.com. And you can go ahead and get in here and join the team and watch this video because it
I want to officially welcome you to this webinar. My name is David Eco, and today
takes you through all these and how to set them up.
The easiest way to start getting up to $2,000 cash payments.
There you go. And you can watch that, and let's get it rolling. Hey, I'm looking forward to working with you. If you got questions, hey, hit me at one of the ways to reach me, usually on my Facebook page, and you can message me there, or I usually put my email down there, and you can email me. Some of you already have my contact information because you're already on my team, so if you have questions, reach out to me. We're doing this thing, so look forward to working with you from hearing from you. All right.